Hey everyone, happy Veterans Day. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a patriotic ribbon in honor of Veterans Day. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our patriotic ribbon, we want to begin right here on our paper. So let's start by drawing a little sad face shape like this, right towards the top. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down at an angle, and then we'll make another line that comes up at an angle over here, kind of like a little V shape. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up, and we'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to draw this line, it's going to curve up. Then we're just going to draw a line that goes up and down, kind of like that little sad face shape. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a line that comes out at an angle, and we'll do the same thing here. We'll just come kind of down and out at like an angle. Next, we're going to start here and we're going to draw a long line that's going to come down. So I'm just going to kind of follow this line and we're just going to make a long line that comes down. Then I'm going to take this line right here and I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down a little bit farther. Next, starting here, we're going to take this line and we're just going to bring it right to here. Then starting right here, we're going to take this line, I'm just going to kind of redraw over it. I'm going to jump over here and we're going to make another diagonal line out to right about here. We want to keep it about the same length. Next, we'll do the same thing with this one. We're just going to kind of jump over here and we're going to draw this line down. We want it to be about the same length as this one. Now, starting here, I'm just going to draw a little line that's going to curve down to connect it, and I'll do the same thing over here. I just kind of curved it down to connect my little ribbon ends. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little patriotic ribbon. Now you can use this ribbon shape for lots of different things. You could use this for like a yellow ribbon, you can use it for a pink ribbon for cancer awareness, you can do it for lots of different things. I'm actually going to decorate mine with some different little star and stripe patterns on here. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.